I want to adhere to the decision of the Supreme Court when it's final, upon its final disposition. To me, this is not about the Vice President or Vice President Sara. No, it's about the Constitution. Delikado to, masama ito. It's about preserving the Constitution.
This is Truth on the Line. To discuss the archiving of the impeachment case against Vice President Sara Duterte. Hello, Senator. Welcome to Truth on the Line.
Hi, thank you, Ami, for inviting me. Truth on the Line. It's my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Senator, siyempre tinatanong ngayon ng lahat ng tao, what next? Ano po ang mangyayari ngayon? Parang nagka-stalemate. Of course, we're all waiting for the decision of the Supreme Court. But in the meantime, ano po ang mga pwede nating asahan, especially from the minority?
At this point, we will stick to our position that we should wait for the motion for reconsideration to be addressed by the Supreme Court. Nandun tayong pare-pareho eh. Kasi kung sabihin ng Supreme Court na nire-reverse nila yung sarili nila, let's say 7 of them will reverse. 7, dahil 13 lang ang bumoto, hindi naman 15 ang bumoto. Merong misnomer doon sa unanimous decision. Unanimous doon sa 13, pero hindi unanimous sa buong Supreme Court. No? But anyway, so let's say 7 reverses themselves. And it has happened before, numerous times. So, yun ang inintay natin. Pag nangyari yun, definitely, the best action for the Senate is to convene as an impeachment court.
Pero pag nag-convene po ang Senate, of course, pagbobotohan na naman yun, ano? Kailangan ng new vote, new deliberations. Sa tingin nyo, kung ganun karami yung mga bumoto, 19 senators, sa tingin nyo, mare-reverse naman ng Senado yung numerong yan?
It can be retrieved from the archive. Una, yun ang mga pinag-usapan namin na wala doon sa session hall eh. No, in session kami, pero ibig sabihin naka-recess. Nung nagre-recess, pinipilit nila sa akin yung archiving. At sinasabi ko nga, pag in-archive mo yan, parang nilibing mo yan. But sinasabi nila, hindi. We can bring it back. Okay. So, in other words, if you listen to the voting speeches of the members of the Senate, if I'm not mistaken, mga 90% of them said na ang dahilan is the Supreme Court ruling. Hindi ba? Kaya sinasabi nila na i-dismiss na lang or pumayag sila sa archiving. So, if the Supreme Court reverses itself, there's no more reason not to convene. Again, sa akin, I'd like to place this on record, Ami, I want to adhere to the decision of the Supreme Court when it's final, upon its final disposition. Okay. Now, the other thing is, to me, this is not about the Vice President or Vice President Sara. No, it's about the Constitution. After I read the Supreme Court decision and I saw the comments of the makers of the Constitution or the writers of the Constitution, sabi ko, delikado to, masama ito. So it's not about the Vice President as far as I'm concerned. It's about preserving the Constitution. Dahil pag hindi, at pag inisa-isa mo yung nakikita namin at nakita ko, at most of it naman na nabanggit ko on the Senate floor, ay hindi maganda para sa bansa natin, especially for the future.
Senator, pupuntahan ko yan. Pero balikan ko lang sandali yung binanggit nyo, yung outside the plenary, nung nag-break kayo. Pwede bang kwentuhan nyo pa kami kung ano nangyari? Kasi tingin namin medyo nagkainitan na dun sa sagutan sa plenary, although of course everyone was civil. Kumusta yung atmosphere nung yung behind, outside the camera anyway? Kumusta po yung usapan ninyo doon?
During the recess, more or less yun. Lumapit sa akin si Senator Villanueva, the majority leader. Lumapit sa akin si Senator Alan Cayetano. At yun ang sinasabi nila, baka daw papayag na ako sa archiving. Sapagkat, as I said on the floor, no, I knew that I had higher precedence, motion to lay on the table, instead of motion to dismiss, which was a plain, it's a common motion. So they had to decide on my motion first before taking up the motion to dismiss. Now they knew that siguro alam nila na paninindigan ko yun, di ba? At saka siguro naman may mga nakumbinse ko sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko sinasabi na dapat i-table lang muna dahil hindi pa final yung sa Supreme Court. At sinusundan din naman ako ng mga ibang mga kasama natin. Pero kinukumbinsi nila kami na archive na lang natin. So hindi na yung motion to dismiss. So hindi i-dismiss. More or less mas malambot yun. Kasi una, pag dismiss, ano dinidismiss mo? Sabi ng Supreme Court, wala raw sa amin yung jurisdiction. Wala raw sa amin. Di ba? Ano dinidismiss mo? Yung palang medyo talagang ano na yun medyo stretching too much. Di ba?
Congenial naman yung atmosphere during the recess kasi tinatanong ng mga tao, mas mainit ba sa plenary o dun sa recess yung atmosphere? Yung usapan?
I would say na mas mainit sa plenary. Because sa recess naman, veterano na ako sa ganyan Alam mo, kumisan may mga nagsisigawan sa Senate floor, sa plenary, pero pagdating ng recess, medyo nagsusubside yun.